ChatGPT is something a lot of people are talking about right now. It creates content around keywords and can put a sentence, a paragraph, or a lot of information together by searching the web. Now, you might be looking at putting together content about an area that you have interest in or have knowledge on. You may be looking at how you could produce the best source of information to actually generate really good content. So let me take you through some options. This is ChatGPT, and this is the last area I'm going to look at today. First area I'm going to do the first area I'm going to look at is a keyword. So I am going to put in solar panel. Okay, energy being the key thing. So it generates energy for a consumer, and it therefore potentially saves money. And you will see lots and lots of panels all over the place. So it produces something called electric, and that's quite important right at the minute. So I'm just going to use those three words and look at the content, etc., the results, etc., this week on SEMrush, see what it gives us back, tells us about these particular areas. Are solar panels worth it? How do they work? How much are solar panels? How much do solar panels cost? So we can see very quickly solar panels has quite a lot of information. It doesn't add the word electric or energy, but we know those words are relevant, and we're going to show you a bit more with that. And it also shows you how you can find more information about things like free solar panels through a place like Money Saving Expert. So moving on, I'm going to go to this area here, and I'm going to put what are the benefits of solar panels to our electric energy use. So if I was looking for a headline, so blog headline, we might get some of the key things, and you get a headline like this, which is good and really helpful. So we could use something like this for ChatGPT. In fact, what I'm going to do is we're just going to copy this. I'm going to close this headline down, and I'm going to go for the in fact it automatically does it, I've forgotten that. I'm going to again add solar panel energy electric as the keywords to produce a paragraph. I'm also again going to copy this. I'm going to get this to create the AI, and then we're going to look finally at the content differential between what we have here, and we have 144 words there on that particular area. And you can judge for yourself whether this particular area of content at 144 words, or if we put that in there and we generate our content. So this is ChatGPT, our final one, and we're actually asking it for it to produce some content. as we can see, the information is produced quite practically. This is a free paragraph that we've generated on a point basis. Now you might, if it's not the point side of it, if we go for regeneration the post, there might be a different way of doing it. We can see, but in actual fact it's done it the same way. So in this instance, ChatGPT has produced the content in a slightly different way, but if we look at the keywords solar panel, electricity, solar panel, energy, electrical, solar panel here, solar panel there, electricity, you can see that we have lots and lots of those keywords. If we go back here, different way of putting it, we've got a solar panel here, energy there, electricity and electricity. We can see these keywords being used produce content that maybe if you were a person promoting ways of saving money on energy, or if you were interested or involved with solar panels, you could see quite clearly how these two systems could actually generate content. Now it has to be said that the two systems work differently. So Word Hero can produce the headline, intro, topic and paragraph, and even blog outlines. Slightly different setup, various other ways of doing it to the new concept. So we could as well put here, how does a solar panel work and how much energy does it produce? Again, logical questions to be asking. You'll see that these are actually answers are basically restored here on the left hand side. You can see the benefits of putting it into ChatGPT in terms of content, marketing information, communication straight away, and information about what the solar panel is going to do for you. Ladies and gentlemen, if you wouldn't mind giving us a thumbs up, a like, or sharing your views, it would be appreciated. Thank you very much indeed for watching this particular video.